Today I'm cooking salted egg mantis shrimp. It's salty sweet, pairing perfectly with the unique taste of the mantis shrimp. In my last video, I shared with you guys how to cut and prepare the mantis shrimp before cooking. So today I am sharing how to cook it. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Let's start off with the salted eggs. I am using 4 eggs. However, I will always buy 1 or 2 extra in case the egg has been kept for too long and went bad. So I have 5 eggs here. Usually the salted egg in Malaysia are coated in black salted charcoal like this. Before washing, I am going to remove as much of the charcoal as possible, using the plastic bag to avoid soiling my hand and sink. If yours come already clean, this step can be skipped. Alright, one is done. Place it directly in a bowl filled with water. Continue with the rest until all of them have been washed. Removing most of the charcoal first in the plastic bag will make cleanup easier. Once all the salted eggs are clean, I can tie up the bag and discard it immediately. This reduces the chance of my sink getting clogged with the salted charcoal. In a basin of water, gently wash the egg one by one until clean, placing them in a separate plate or bowl. Discard the water and continue with the second rinse for all the salted eggs. Discard the water. Then break each egg over a bowl. Allow the egg white to flow out. Gently remove any remaining egg white around the yolk. Leave it in a separate heat-resistant plate as they will steam together later. Repeat with the rest of the eggs. Alright, all 4 eggs done. Just to show you, this last egg appearance is darker than the others, so it may not be fresh. The egg stinks so badly, and the yolk has turned black. It's definitely rotten and cannot be used. This is something that cannot be seen when we buy the eggs. Dispose it in an airtight bag and wash the hand. Let's steam the salted egg yolks. I have prepared the hot boiling water here. Place the egg yolk on the top of the steaming stand. Cover with a heat-resistant plate to prevent the steam water to drop inside the plate. Steam the salted egg yolk for 4 minutes. After about 5 minutes, the egg yolks are cooked. Switch off the heat. Remove the egg yolk from the pot and leave aside to cool. The salted egg yolk can be cooked ahead of time. If you need to keep it overnight, keep it in an airtight container and place it in the fridge. Sometimes people keep it in the freezer for a longer period. We start with smashing the salted egg yolk with fork until it is slightly fine while still a little chunky like this. Don't make it too fine as the salted egg yolk sauce will not foam up as much later. Put it aside for now. Place a frying pan on the stove. Add about 500 ml of cooking oil for deep frying. Switch on the heat and allow the oil to get hot for about 7 minutes. Once the oil is hot, strip 6 grams of curry leaves or about 2 stems of them into the hot oil. Make sure they are completely dry to prevent oil splashes. Fry for about 30 seconds or until crispy. Switch off the heat. Remove them from the oil with a strainer and rest them over heat-resistant bowl to drift off the excess oil. Leave them aside. I have 300 grams of mantis shrimp flesh ready to cook from my last video and 5 tablespoons of crispy flour or any tempura flour. Take each mantis shrimp and dip it in crispy flour, coating them well on both sides. Then carefully add it into the hot oil. Repeat until all the mantis shrimp is in the pan or until the pan is full. Cook them all for about 3 minutes without turning them. After 3 minutes, flip the mantis shrimp to brown them evenly on both sides for another 2 minutes or until all the pieces turn golden brown. Alright, They look amazing. Remove the mantis shrimp that are done with wooden cooking chopsticks and place them in the strainer for the excess oil to drift off. Look at how crispy and golden brown the mantis shrimp are. Leave them aside. Switch off the heat. Now we are going to cook the salted egg sauce. Put a separate pan on the stove and switch on the heat to medium. Add about 30 ml of cooking oil and wait for about 1.5 minutes for the oil to get hot. Add 25 grams of minced garlic, 7 grams or 2 pieces of cut bird-eye chilies, and 6 grams of curry leaves, which are from 2 stems. Stir fry together for about 45 seconds or until the garlic becomes soft and fragrant. Then add all the smashed salted egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir vigorously to mix for about 3 to 5 minutes. This helps the salted egg develop a lot of foam. Ensure that the oil is hot enough in medium heat. If it is too strong, the salted egg sauce will burn. After 1 minute, the sauce has started to foam up a little. Continue stirring for another minute. See, more of the foam has formed now. Continue for another minute on medium-high heat. It is now perfect. The foam is thick and dense, which will coat the deep fried mantis shrimp very well. Add the fried mantis shrimp. Toss a few times to mix. And we are done. It looks so yummy. Switch off the heat. Transfer it to a serving plate. Sprinkle 3 grams or 1 piece of cut red chili for some color. Top it with the fried curry leaves. And it is ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, delicious! Crispy, salty, umami with a little bit of kick from spicy chili and the fragrance of the curry leaves. Deep fried mantis shrimp coated in salted egg yolk sauce will be perfect with white rice. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!